Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly, you should turn it off by holding down power key, and after device turns off completely from it, what you'll have to do is to release power key quickly and hold down volume down. So in the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you should select an option Reboot to Recovery. Then, when you see this kind of screen with this phone and exclamation mark, this one, just press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume down, navigate to the option Wipe Cache Partition, then select it. No cache partition found, so basically no cache on my device. Maybe it's gonna reset cache on yours. And when cache wipe completes, what you have to do is to select Reboot System Now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.